Hi guys, good morning. We're back in the studio, and if you have seen or you follow me for a longer while, that we got a new studio and we painted the floor with concrete paint. So we got this left and I thought, why not use that as a base? Let's try that. It's like anthracite gray a bit. Last time I used wall paint as a base. It turned out beautiful, the painting, but after it dried, it cracked, and I think it's because I mixed the white with water. So I was thinking use this concrete paint and mix it in with flow-through, and the rest of my colors will be mixed with water like I normally do. The link is also in the description how I mix my paint, but let's see what will happen. Okay. Okay, so this is the color. Okay, it's already thin, so that's good. So my base paint is normally, thin, but this will be much thicker then, so yeah, it's gonna be interesting. So I put like 50% of flow-through in here. It's still thin, but I don't think it's gonna flow real good, but we'll see. Let's start making the base. Oof, that's thick. Don't think this is gonna flow with the blow dryer really well. We can try. Okay, yeah, I think I need to add some water to here. I don't know, maybe this will react differently, just a little bit. Okay. Okay, let's first make a puddle using white. Phthalo green, phthalo blue, some white again, and a little bit of gold. Let's put it here. Okay, now it's gonna be interesting. Let's pour this around. Still very thick. Let's blow this out. So it's given a lot of cells. It's really breaking up already. Whew, what a lot of cells. But this is gorgeous in here, but it's too minimal, huh? Maybe I can tilt this better. No. No. Okay, so let's try again. So I will make it a lot thinner. Okay, let's start over. Just like here. Around. You see, it's because I tint it, it's more gray. So many cells, huh? It's selling up like crazy. A lot of lacing. Okay, yeah, so the concrete paint is eating all the colors. Yeah, I'm gonna let this dry, see how it looks. But it's not something I love. But it's good to test this out, right? And see how this dries. Yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up. Hit that like button, that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.